Do you understand English but still can't speak fluently? You're not alone. Today, I'll share 4 powerful tips that have helped me and millions of others speak better English every single day. First, stop translating in your head. If you translate every word, English becomes slow and stressful. Your brain gets stuck between 2 languages. The secret is to learn short sentences, not single words. For example, instead of translating "I want to sleep," learn it as one complete idea. When you're tired, simply say, "I want to sleep." No translation, just use it naturally. Second, talk to yourself in English. You don't need a partner or a teacher, just talk to yourself. It may sound strange, but it works. This builds confidence and trains your mouth to speak. While doing daily tasks, describe what you're doing. Say things like, "I'm making coffee. The water is hot. I need a clean cup. This coffee smells good." Third, think in English all day. Thinking in English changes everything. It trains your brain to stay in English mode. Even when you're not speaking, you're still practicing. As you go through your day, describe things in your mind. For example, "It's a beautiful morning. He looks tired. That dress is blue. I forgot my keys." Fourth, learn phrases, not just words. Many people try to memorize long vocabulary lists, but words alone are not enough. Learn real sentences that people actually use. For example, instead of learning the word apple, learn sentences like, "I eat an apple every morning. She bought some green apples. Do you like apples?" Don't wait for the perfect time to learn English. Start today. Speak to yourself. Think in English. Practice every day, even if it's only 10 minutes. Small daily practice creates big results. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more fun cartoon English tips. See you next time.